Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on November 10th. Birth of a fighting force, the American Marines established 1775. On November 10, 1775, the Continental Congress created the United States Marine Corps by ordering the formation of 2 battalions for the Revolutionary War. This marked the beginning of a unique fighting force skilled in both land and sea operations. Although the original Marines were disbanded after the war, the modern Corps proudly traces its roots back to this date. Every year, Marines around the world celebrate their birthday with ceremonies and traditions that honor their courage and legacy. The Wiper Revolution, Mary Anderson's windshield wiper patent 1903. On November 10, 1903, inventor Mary Anderson received a U.S. patent for her window cleaning device, the first practical windshield wiper. Her clever invention used a lever and spring-loaded arm to clear rain and snow from car windshields. Many car makers ignored her design, thinking it unnecessary, yet her idea became a must-have for every automobile. Mary Anderson's story proves that small inventions can make a huge difference in everyday life. A children's icon is born. Sesame Street premieres 1969. On November 10, 1969, Sesame Street debuted on American television, introducing Big Bird, Elmo, Oscar the Grouch, and Cookie Monster. The show changed children's TV by blending fun puppets, music, and learning about numbers, letters, and kindness. It was one of the first to mix education with entertainment while showing real-world diversity. Over time, Sesame Street became a global phenomenon, teaching millions of kids important life lessons. End of an era, the sinking of the Edmund Fitzgerald 1975. On November 10, 1975, the freighter SS Edmund Fitzgerald sank during a fierce storm on Lake Superior, killing all 29 crew members. The massive ship vanished suddenly while carrying iron ore through brutal weather. The tragedy shocked the Great Lakes region and revealed the risks sailors face on inland waters. The haunting song "The Wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald" keeps the memory of the crew alive to this day. Birth of a reformer, Martin Luther 1483. On November 10, 1483, Martin Luther was born in Eisleben, Germany. The monk and theologian later ignited the Protestant Reformation by challenging the Catholic Church with his 95 Theses. His bold ideas reshaped Christianity and inspired people to read and interpret the Bible themselves. Luther's influence spread far beyond religion, changing education, politics, and personal freedom across Europe. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.